Hello, hello. I am just going to do a quick little screencast thing to talk about the gratitude blog exchange. Susie has had a pretty good idea that if we post our gratitude post on our own site and then provide the link to our site, we can post out sort of an introduction paragraph and then a continuation link. So if people are reading on your blog and they read our post and they're interested in it, they can go to our websites, our own personal blogs, to finish reading. That way we can kind of introduce them to our personal blogs and our keep track of the stats that way. This is the example that she gave. It's kind of interesting. This was a guest post, and this is on her blog. And as you're reading, you kind of read through the article, and then you get to this part here. So, like what you've read so far, and then you can click here to go to the other person's website, the Balua girl, and then you can read the whole thing here. So that way, you're getting a hit on your website, but also the guest blogger is getting a hit on their website as well. I have mine post ready to go. So this is, I use WordPress, so I have the link here. I just copied the link, and I'm going to share this spreadsheet with you. Here's just a rough schedule that I put together. This is the link to my website, to that particular post. Here's the title. So however you want to put it on your blog, I would probably just give it the title that's there, or a guest post with the title. And then you can go to my post, take the first paragraph, and then if you like what you read, put the links to this post on your website. That way it'll drive back to my website. This is the rough schedule. I'm going to post this in the folder, and I will give everybody the link through the direct message. There are 10 people so far. Just make sure that you have your post up and ready, that we can access it before your date, and then go back to this web spreadsheet and provide your URL address and maybe a title. I think that's probably all that we need. I'm still waiting on a few people down here to confirm. They said they were interested. I'm not sure if they're going to or not, but I think that's all we need for right now. I'm super excited about this. Just to see that there's 10 people that have emailed and said they're going to be ready this weekend is amazing. So thank you so much for participating and helping out. And if you have any questions, the DM thread should help. And Susie Lawley, at Susie Lawley, seems to be the one that kind of knows what she's doing with this, and hopefully she can help us all out trying to understand how this works. I'm excited about it, and I'm seeing a lot of really awesome people that want to write with us. So this is so cool. And I will talk to you guys later.